Hello, welcome to our guided meditation. This meditation is designed to help you step back from your thoughts and experience the stillness of the space that contains them. For many of us, the mind can feel noisy, full of chatter, obsessive loops, or what some call the monkey mind. It can be exhausting and strangely addictive. But here's something important. Our aim here is not to stop the mind. There is no off switch. Instead, the invitation is to gently observe, to step back, and from that space, that safe space, discover what's really true. And first, let's settle into a comfortable position. Just take this time now to settle into your body and adjust your posture in any way that brings you the most comfort right now. Maybe rolling your shoulders back, straightening your spine, and letting your eyes softly close if you haven't already. Now begin to take slower, deeper breaths than you've taken all day. Inhale deeply, letting the breath fill your lower belly, feeling your diaphragm expand. And as you exhale slowly, noticing your belly contract back in. And let's do it again. Inhale deeply into the belly. Hold at the top, touching the natural stillness that lives there. And exhale fully, slowly. And at the bottom of the breath, notice that stillness again. And continue in this rhythm for a few more rounds. Each breath settling you deeper into the moment, allowing the body to relax and the mind to arrive here, now. And let's just take a short moment in silence to inhale deeply into your belly, exhaling fully and slowly. And when you're ready, let your breath return to its natural flow. But keep your awareness gently resting with it. Let this serve as your anchor. Now, imagine sitting yourself on the bank of a wide flowing river. The water moves steadily, effortlessly. Its rhythm is soothing and mesmerizing. This river represents your mind. Thoughts drift along like leaves or branches, carried by the current. They come, they go. They appear from nowhere and dissolve into nothing. And notice, you are not the river. You are sitting safely on the bank, simply watching. No matter how fast the current becomes, no matter how big the waves here on the bank, you remain steady, grounded, safe. So as thoughts rise, simply watch them float you past. If judgments appear, let them drift downward stream too. If stories or old patterns arise, notice them and let them go as well. No need to engage. No need to resist. And here's the key. Thoughts are not solid. You can't touch them. You can't hold them. They are not who you are. They are simply passing phenomena, nothing more than activity of the brain. Quite simply, you are not your thoughts. A bad thought does not make you bad. A silly thought does not make you silly. They're just thoughts, floating by, dissolving into nothing. So rather than identifying with them, notice the space that contains them. The awareness that watches. The river of your mind that's constant, consistent. And then you, on the quiet riverbank on which you sit, that space of who you really are. And let's take a few moments here and stay a while, breathing gently, watching thoughts come and go, resting in this spacious awareness that holds them all. And if you find yourself caught up in a thought, that's okay. It happens to everyone. And that's why you're here. Just notice it, smile at it, whatever it is, and gently return to the breath. Return to the riverbank. Remember, whenever the mind feels overwhelming, you can return here to the still, spacious awareness. And you can bring your attention to your heart, breathing into the space surrounding it. See if you can feel warmth there. Love, acceptance, gratitude. Let that energy fill you as you rest in the awareness that's much bigger than any thought. And as we slowly begin to end our meditation, let's take 3 final breaths together. Inhale deeply, pausing at the top, noticing the stillness, and exhaling fully, releasing into spacious awareness. And again, inhaling deeply, exhaling slowly, letting go of all that's passing. And one last time, your deepest breath yet. Fill your body completely. And as you exhale, feel yourself expand into the vast space of awareness itself. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this knowing with you. You are not your thoughts. You are the vast, open space in which they come and go. What's up? Thank you so much for joining us today. And until next time, if you'd like more information about observing your thoughts, check out the playlist below. And if you'd like custom meditation recordings for your own personal use on any topic that you may be struggling with right now, more information can be found on the website below at andysteachings.com. Thank you all again, and see you next time.